The transfer of some of Nairobi City County functions may have serious ramifications on the county's control of resources, with a more likely to take over up to 20 billion shillings of Nairobi's annual budget. Our very own Sam Gitugu looks at the 4 critical services now in the hands of the national government that could dim Governor Mike Sonko's powers.
The transfer of county functions deed indicates the functions in question in 4 short phrases of County Health Services, County Transport Services, County Planning and Development Services, and lastly, County Public Works and Utilities. The Constitution dedicates a total of 14 functions to the counties. The national government has only taken 4, which however are the backbone of a county. For instance, the County Transport Services in the Constitution includes county roads, street lighting, traffic and parking management, and public road transport. As per the Constitution, County Planning and Development Services entails statistics, land survey and mapping, boundaries and fencing, county housing services, as well as electricity and energy regulation. For County Public Works and Utilities, these will involve the management of stormwater, water and sanitation services, meaning the provision of water and sewerage services. As such, the county government is left with 10 functions, but minimal in scale. They include agriculture, air and noise pollution management, animal control and its welfare, including licensing of dogs. Pre-primary education and village polytechnics, if any, in Nairobi will continue to be under the county government. The county will also be responsible for firefighting and disaster management, drugs and pornography control, and management of public entertainment, including licensing of liquor. The Nairobi County budget for the current financial year is 36.9 billion shillings. Based on the transferred functions, 20.9 billion shillings could be the amount to be transferred, as it is the cost of running the services. Specifically, in the current budget, health is allocated 7.4 billion shillings. Public works and transport as a cluster is assigned 4.8 billion shillings, while finance and economic planning, that would fall under county planning and development services, has been allocated 5.5 billion shillings. The environment and water, that would fall under county public works and utilities, was costed at 2 billion shillings, while urban planning and lands is assigned 656 million shillings of the budget. Urban renewal and housing, another service transferred, is allocated 651.7 million shillings. With 20.6 billion shillings likely to be moved, the county management could remain with just over 16 billion shillings, an amount that also includes the county assembly budget of 2.9 billion shillings. The functions transfer instruments require the county to ensure that the transferred functions are fully funded from the county revenue fund. The deed provides that the national government shall determine the level of funding in consultation with the county, but, quote, in any case, the budgetary allocation shall not be less than the amount last appropriated by the county assembly in the preceding financial year, end of quote. And with County Revenue Allocation Service now to be taken over by the Kenya Revenue Authority, Sonko's record may have attracted the decision. Since his first year in office, the county has been far from target, collecting just over 10 billion shillings per year, despite targets of up to 17 billion shillings. This a slight decline from Governor Evans Kidero's revenue collection, whose last full-year collection was at 10.9 billion shillings.
KRA will be the principal collector of all revenues for the county of Nairobi, and we are hoping to see improved revenue collection in Nairobi, just the way we saw in Kiambu County. The underlying reason for this is to address the matter of a drastic fall in revenues in the county government of Nairobi, which has in turn led to sharp decline in service delivery to the residents of Nairobi.
For more than 2 months, the door behind me has remained shut after Governor Mike Sonko was barred from accessing it. And with the movement of 4 key functions to the national government, one wonders for how long it will remain so. But one thing is clear, that billions of shillings will now be administered from a different source. Sam Gitugu, TV, City Hall, Nairobi.